We are here in Bogotá Convention Center in the ICCASkills program 2023. This is one focus on bringing new strategies and business models to the meetings industry.
Working with ICCA, having this CICE certificate, an international certificate with ICCASkills, will take our professionals and will take the country, will take Colombia to a different level.
Well, first of all, on behalf of ICCA, we would like to thank Colombia, of course, and Bogotá for hosting this session of ICCASkills, a very important program that we developed to enhance the capabilities of industry professionals all over the world, and in this case in Colombia.
I am pleased and honored to be participating in this knowledge exchange activity together with lots of hospitality industry colleagues, where we aim to raise the standards of the hospitality industry here in Colombia.
I think the professional credentials, so the certification processes that the meeting industry organizations bring to the professionals are very important, and I think that all of these professionals will take serious advantage of that, not only to pass the exam, which is important, but also to keep those learnings and to use them day to day in their businesses.
Delegates here in Bogotá have been absolutely amazing. They came with questions, with challenges, but also with solutions and ideas, and have been engaged throughout the entire program. I'm very confident that we'll be seeing a lot of positive developments within Colombia, and that this will have a major impact on global association meetings.
I'm very proud to be part of the ICCASkills programs. This is a huge opportunity for the new generations to learn from the hand of the experts, improve our skills, and to be more professional and specialized for the associative segment.